Hello students, welcome back to accountancy class of Amarchand Singhvi International School. We were on our chapter number 3 from volume 3, that is tools of financial statement analysis, and we have already completed our one tool of it, that was comparative statement, and now we'll do another tool of it, that is common size statement. Now, if I talk about common size statement, see, common size statement is also known as vertical analysis. Why it is known as vertical analysis? Because it compares the data of 1 year as compared to a common base. Now, what is common based is like if I talk about comparative statement of profit and loss account, see here a common base is revenue from operation, that is net sales. Net sales is taken as 100 and rest of the items are compared to it in comparison as 100%. Like if revenue from operation, that is net sales is 100%, other items are how much percentage of it, okay? Like I'll solve a sum related to it and then you'll get a clear idea that how it is done. See here, in this question it is saying prepare common size statement of profit and loss account from the following information, and same as we have done in comparative statement, data is given to us and here what we have to do, we have to first prepare the P&L statement. So I have already prepared a P&L statement. I have written the items in a sequence as we have done already, like revenue from operation, then other incomes, adding both of them, and then total expenses. Now here what we'll do, first of all we'll find the profit before tax. Now profit before tax will be how much? See, profit is income minus expenses. So income is 8,25,000 less expenses is 6,17,500. So you'll get your answer as 2,07,500. Similarly, if you do the calculation for 2020, that is 11 lakh minus 7 lakh 10,000, you'll get your answer as 3,90,000. Okay, and then you have to charge tax. See here, you have to charge the tax at 50% because you're having profit. If there was loss, we would have not charged any tax. So 50% for both the year, the tax rate is same. 50% of 2,07,500 is 1,03,750, and that of 50% of 3,90,000 is 1,95,000. So after subtracting tax from the profit before tax, you will get 1,03,750 for 2019 and 1,95,000 for 2050. The amount is same because the tax rate is 50%. Okay, here we have just prepared the statement for both the years. Now we will prepare common size that statement, that is we have to compare rest of the item as compared to revenue from operation. So what you have to do, you have to consider revenue from operation as 100. So give 100 to revenue from operation. That revenue from operation is 100%. So how much percentage of rest of the items? See, like if 7,50,000 is 100%, so other income, that is 75,000, is how much percentage of it? Simple cross multiplication can be done. If 7,50,000 is 100%, so 75,000 is how much percentage? So 75,000 into, now 75,000 into, okay, 100 is 100 divided by 7,50,000 divided by 7,50,000. So you'll get your answer as 10%. You can simply do the cross multiplication, 75,000 into 100 divided by 7,50,000. So 10%, the other income is 10% of revenue from operation. Similarly, you can do for all the items. Same is to be done if our other total incomes is how much? 8,25,000. So if 7,50,000 is 100%, so 8,25,000 is how much percentage? So what we'll do, 8,25,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 7,50,000. So you will get your answer as 110%. Same working is to be done for expenses like purchase in stock in trade is 6 lakh. If 7,50,000 is 100%, 6 lakh is how much? So 6 lakhs into 100, that is 6 lakhs into 100 into divided by 7,50,000. Okay, so you'll get your answer as 80%. Same if you do for change in inventories, that is change in inventories is 10,000, is 7,50,000 is 100%. 10,000 is how much percentage of it you will do if you do so? 10,000, that is 10,000 into 100 divided by 7,50,000. Okay, you'll get your answer as 1.333%. That means change in inventory is 1.33% of revenue from operations. Okay, same other expenses. So see here, 2020 is not to be considered. All the data is to be considered of 2019 only. If other expenses is 7,500, so how much percentage of revenue from operation? If 7,50,000 is 100%, 7,500 is how much? 7,500 into 100 divided by 7,50,000, you'll get your answer as 1%. Same for total expenses. If 7,50,000 is 100%, 6,17,500 is how much? 6,17,500. Okay, 6,17,500 into 100 divided by 7,50,000. So you'll get your answer as 82.333. If you same do for profit before tax, that is if 7,50,000 is 100%, what is the percentage of this profit before tax? So you can similarly do the cross multiplication. 7,500 into 100 divided by 7,50,000. Okay, here you have to put the sign of division. So you'll get your answer as 27.666%. Okay, same profit for tax you can do 1,03,750 into 100 divided by 7,50,000. You'll get your answer as 13.833. Same if you do for profit after tax, 1,03,750 into 100 divided by 75,000, you'll get your answer same 13.833. Your common size statement for 2019 is prepared. Simple. Only what you have to do is consider 2000 revenue from operation as 100 and convert rest of the items as compared to how much percentage of it is the rest of the items. Same working is to be done for 2020, considering 100 as revenue from operation. If revenue from operation is 100, now forget about 2019. What you have to check is 2020. Now if 10 lakh is 100%, 1 lakh is how much percentage of it? Like other income of 2020 is how much percentage of it? So what you'll do, 1 lakh into 100 divided by 10 lakh, you'll get your answer as 10%. Similarly, if you do for total income, that is if 10 lakh is 100%, 11 lakh is how much percentage of it? So what you'll do, cross multiplication, you'll do 11 lakh into 100, this 100. Okay, F, that is of cell F14, divided by 10 lakh. Okay, that 10 lakh is total revenue from operation of 2020. You'll get your answer as 110 10 percentage. Same percentage is there, but it is not necessary in all the answers you'll get the same percentage. Okay, same you have to do for purchase in stock in trade, change in inventories. Okay, like see, for change in inventories the amount is in negative, so you have to write the percentage in negative only. 50,000 into 100 divided by 10 lakh. Okay, if 10 lakh is 100 percentage, minus 50 percentage is how much percentage? So you'll get your answer as 5. Okay, and that will be in negative. Rest of the items you have to solve yourself and let me know your answers in comment section. Do the calculation, pause the video, see how it is to be done, and let me know the answers. Okay, do yourself. This topic is very much easy. I'll be waiting for your answers. Thank you.